Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can find in this tutorial how you can find camera shake effect in Capcut but on PC, okay? Because a lot of people ask me if it's possible to find this effect, this really popular effect on your computer, on Capcut PC. As you can see, I have Capcut PC here. So let's just open Capcut PC, and now what you have to do, just grab your video, drag the video onto your timeline, and here if you head over to effects, here you should see effects, video effects, expand video effects, and then here in video effects make sure you click on opening and closing, and here you have slanted blur, okay? And slanted blur, and you also have camera effects for those that were curious where they can find camera effect. Now is not located in basic, I think it was called, but now is located in nightclub, and here we have camera shake, okay? And also for those that were curious how they can find slanted blur is located right over here. So yeah, that's how you can find camera effect on Capcut PC, and that's how you can find slanted blur in Capcut PC. So make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.